Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did go ahead and use this palette from Profusion Cosmetics. I also used the face palette. This is what the inside of the palette looks like, and I kind of just did something a little matte. I did use an Anastasia highlight for the inner corner, but yeah, I had some fun playing with this so far today. While I was at Ulta yesterday, I didn't get to pick up the Putty Bronzer by e.l.f. because they didn't have any in my shade, but I did find these little palettes from Essence Cosmetics, so I'm super excited to try these out. They were only $3.99 a piece, so that's really not that bad, like at all. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created today's look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. If you have tried out the Mean Girls collab with Profusion Cosmetics, definitely like comment below and let me know what you've tried. So again, I picked up the Cady Heron palette. I had fun with it. I'll probably use it a few more times. But yeah, it's just kind of a neutrals. So it's for like when I feel like doing my makeup, but I don't want to do like something crazy. So I like it. I think it turned out really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't so that you can see future videos. I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.